And today we are going to learn to make some bouncy balls. So here's one which I've already made. So first you have to make sure to put these together and seal it. Now you pour in these granules. Then you give it a tap. Then you fill some more. So you just need some warm water and then you gently place it in that water for 10 minutes. So now you have to remove it from the warm water and set it aside for another 10 minutes. So now let's open this up. So if there's a little extra, it's okay. You just have to roll it up and it turns into a perfect ball. So there you have it.